Hey man, you know where you watch?
Yes, me there again, my people. Manners, big up and respect to each and every one. I have videos that I'm going to present to you. Alright, so the first video that I'm going to present to you is going to show how a person stole something from someone, viewers and subscribers. Now, some people might call the person who stole something from someone a thief. Some persons might call that same person a pickpocket. Maybe other names. Who knows, viewers and subscribers? Yes, what may I say? And one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is to help bring an awareness, because you have some dishonest persons out there in the viewers and subscribers. Now, I am not able to tell what exactly the person stole from the person, viewers and subscribers. I'm not able to tell if the person only stole one thing from that person. We just hope that this video can help bring an awareness. When you're out in the public, be vigilant, be careful, because I may never know. You see? Anyways, now some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe. Now I want you to pay close attention to a person that you can see wearing a shirt that that's white. You can see the person having a hat as well. Look how the person move close towards the other person. So just look. You see the shirt? Wet mark. Yeah, look like I just do it that. But the do it look like almost one word. I just join together. Watch it, watch it. You see that? Look at that. Totally dishonest. See? Totally dishonest. Now, that happened inside of a business place that some people might call a food store. Some people might say supermarket. Some people might have different other names for a place like that, or a business place like that. You know, it depends on the country that you're living in. You see me? But overall, that is really and truly a bad situation. That's a dishonest situation. People must work for what they want. Me believe in working for what you want. See? So, my people, tell me what you think about a situation like that, my people. Alright, now I'm going to move on to another video. And the next video that I'm about to present to you had been recorded within Jamaica. And this video is going to show some things that happened when police from within the country of Jamaica held on to a person. It is said that police held on to the person for a certain reason, but some information about the situation are not confirmed to my knowledge. I'm not sure if the person had been arrested or not. You see me? Some people might say that the person had been detained by police, but in my point of view, police somewhat stopped the person from moving freely for a certain reason. You see me? So let's take a look at the video and see if we can get an understanding as to why police held on to the person, viewers and subscribers. Now you can hear a certain amount of persons talking in the video, and based on some words that have been said in the video, it seems as if there was at least two persons who was either disappointed or did not like what was going on. Yes, so may I say, my people. So would I like you look and listen to this video and tell me what you think about the situation, viewers and subscribers. And please bear in mind that this video shows somewhat of a hostile situation. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Yeah, look how much you pop him, Ocha. I'm son. So when the police are there, just stop them mother for chewing. I no lie. Hello, like a driver. Hello, give me one the fear, no? Hey. When I police them up to come and drive the bus. Nah, come on. Hello, what's up? You see what the police them stand up and they not do nothing. Nothing they not do. Nothing at all. Oh, we are reach home! Oh, we are go home! I want to bless them, put the man in the jeep. Oh, we are reach home! Police boy, see him? You see you right here? What if we don't all bust out the people that reach up? Call and tell you these people come to wait. Make it come drive when I police can't.
Alright, my people, so I'm going to point out certain things when it comes on to that video, my people. See me? If you notice, you hear the word boss had been mentioned in the video more than one time. You see me? Alright, now, when we look at the video and get somewhat of an understand that situation, I wondered why the person was being held by police, or me listen to a part of the video that might be a clue. So I'm going to play back just piece of the video to you right now, my people, and listen. You hear those words? Listen again, my people. Listen to some words that have been said. Listen. Okay, so that might be a clue. Alright, so one of the reasons why I presented that video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. Yes, the video I recorded in Jamaica. Now I have one more video that I'm going to present to you. Actually, I'm going to leave this video with you, my viewers and subscribers. Now this video that I'm about to leave with you had been recorded outside of the house that I am living at the moment. Is what I'm asking people. Yes, and you see, this video shows a type of creature, and you know, as a Jamaican, I've seen a lot of insects or creatures and so forth, but there are a lot of them I have not seen. We don't even know the names for them. See me? So when I look at this video and look at the creature that I can see in this video and tell me if I know the name of this creature. You see me? I say the video is going to show a spider, but more you tell me if you know the name of this spider. See me? I say, my people, cause for a real, oh, that was a big one, a real big one. Alright, so here I'm going to leave the video with you, and viewer discretion is advised for this video. And until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
This is a very dangerous I'm not even sure what's the name of this.
my youth, you know what you watch.
Dancehall skilla.
Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.